Dear scholars, through previous two videos, I explained a lesson Yonamin and Bushi. I hope you have watched both the videos and understood the explanation of the story. Through this video, I am going to explain the activities given in English workshop based on this story. Here we begin with the first activity. Read the story and write about the following in short. So here are the names of three characters from the story. We have to write about them. The first character, Yonamin Chiru of Okinawa. There is lot of information about Yonamin throughout the story, which is starting from first paragraph of the lesson. So if you read well, you will find there. It is what Yonamin Chiru was the most admired girl in Okinawa. She was intelligent, tall, strong, big and beautiful. And except this, there is more information about Yonamin throughout the story that you can write here. Next, Kojo. If you read the fifth paragraph of the story, you will find information about Kojo. So what information is given? Let me tell you little. Kojo was bigger and stronger than Yonamin. He was so tall and well built that his hands were like shovels and his legs resembled tree trunks. And you can write little about the match between Yonamin and Kojo. Next one, Bushi. On page number 45, if you read third paragraph, you will get information about Bushi Kiyo. So starting from that paragraph, there is lot of information about Bushi throughout the story. So important points you have to write about him. Just like Bushi Kiyo was well trained under the karate master Sakugawa. He was recruited by Shoko, the king of Okinawa, to be his personal guard. He was he was strong, smart. Moreover, he had a fight with Yonamin, standing firmly on his feet. He was looking unshakable. He had dark piercing eyes which looked straight at the opponent and showed that he was fearless and straightforward. And something more you have to write. Next one, discuss and write 1 to 2 lines about the following. A. Yonamin's idea about marriage. What was her idea? Simply, she had idea that she would only marry a man who would beat her in a fair fight. Next, how Bushi defeated Yonamin in the wrestling match. When Yonamin paused, Bushi took advantage and brought her down with a swift punch. So this is important part of the answer. Next one, why Bushi told Yonamin not to travel at night. So Bushi told Yonamin not to travel at night because it was not safe for a woman to go out alone after dark, for there were bandits about. Next one, Yonamin's fight with Bushi disguised as bandit. So actually Bushi and Yonamin had two fights in this story. The first one before their marriage, and second fight when Bushi disguised himself as a bandit. right? So here we have to write the second fight. How was that fight? So you can write in detail how he disguised himself, then where he was hidden, and how was that actual fight. So what is important? Yonamin held her attacker by the hand and kicked him forcefully that he fell to the ground unconscious. This is important in their fight. Next one, the lesson that Bushi learnt. What lesson he learnt? It is Bushi learnt a lesson that not to underestimate anybody, especially not a woman. Next, number 3, third activity. Divide the story into different sections to show the different events and time periods in it. Give a suitable title to each section. Examples are provided here. Finding a suitable man for Yonamin. Kojo comes forward and is defeated. So in this way, whatever event took place in the story, we have to write them in short by giving such a titles like this. Let me give you some of the examples. If we begin with the first paragraph, it is what? Description of Yonamin. Next, her idea about marriage. Next, finding suitable man for Yonamin. It was actually his father's thinking. Next, Kojo got defeated in the fight. Next one, Bushi defeated Yonamin and married with her, etc. are the important events from the story. So you have to go till the last paragraph of the story, writing this the titles of the important events this way. Next one, write a short monologue. Monologue means speech by one. Using one of the following ideas, write down the monologue and present it in the class. First title, Yonamin's father worrying about getting her married. It is what you have to consider that you are Yonamin's father, okay, and whatever worry Yonamin's father had, that you have to tell. Just like being Yonamin's father, you are telling to someone. So how it would be told? If you read the second paragraph of the story, that is on page number 44, you will get information about it. So it will be like this. Yonamin is my only daughter. She is beautiful. She is intelligent, strong, tall, big and beautiful. And most important of all, she is so well trained in karate that no one can beat her. But who would marry her? As she is stronger than many of the men. I am really worried. What would happen? How will I get a right man to marry my daughter? She is going to inherit a fortune from me. But where, oh where, I could find a young man who will come forward to marry a woman who is stronger than him. In this way, you have to write a monologue. Next one, Bushi disguised as a bandit. So, Bushi first of all dressed him in that shabby clothes, etc. And then, being bandit, what would he talk to Yonamin? That we have to write. Hey, stop. Where are you going? Whatever money and jewelry you have, give it to me, or else I will kill you. In this way, you have to write some of the dialogues of Bushi as a bandit. You can write little more too. Fifth activity. Form groups and hold debates. Debates, it is discussion between two persons, especially, or maybe in two groups, where both the persons or groups oppose each other. You might have watched and listened many of the debates on news channels. Make bulleted list of points in favor of the topic. In favor of the topic, that is said as pros, and against the topic, that is called as cons. 3 to 6 point each. So first of all, you have to give a title. What title? For example, boys cannot cook or do any housework. While writing answer, you have to make two columns like this. Two columns. Here you will write pros and here is the cons. And above this table, here will be the title. What title? For example, boys cannot cook or do any housework. Title, then this column, this side pros and second side is of cons. How will you write? What is given? Boys cannot cook or do any housework. So it is maybe true, maybe false in, if we think of the different boys. Some are doing, some are not doing, right? But generally it is said that boys cannot cook or do any housework. Though there are many shapes, male shapes, worldwide famous, let it be. How can be written? First point on both sides. Pros means you have to talk in support with the statement boys cannot cook or do housework. Here it is written, boys thinking is different as their brains are made differently. Cons, if they if boys want to eat, they should learn cooking. Second, second one, girls are sensitive and sensitivity is important in cooking and housekeeping. Boys are not that much. This is pros. Now cons. Worldwide, the famous shapes are men. CHEFS, shapes. Next, boys have many works just like earning money for family and looking into many of the matters and other household duties. Pros. Okay. Now cons. Even today there are many couples or many families where husband as well as wife both are working and earning. So at that time they both should do cooking and also the housework. They should share actually the housework. So in this way you have to write pros and cons, means sentences in support and in opposition with the given title. Next one, girls cannot do everything that boys do. Title and then column, pros, cons. First point, pros in support with the given title. Girls are not much physically strong as boys. Cons, if girls decide, they can do anything. So simply they can develop their physical strength. Second point, in support with the given title, girls' brains are made differently for different things. Cons, today girls are also at the same level as boys because they are getting equal opportunities. So simply if they get opportunities, they will prove how they can match with the boys in many activities. Next, girls should not compete with the boys. They should support them. Cons, actually nature has created girls as well as boys with equality, giving many of the equal rights or equal rights simply. It is just mindset, we do not consider them as equal to boys. So in this way you have to write for all the topics given here. Next topic is you should never lose a match. So you have to write pros and cons of it, benefits and losses of it. Then you should admit your mistake. Again same you have to do, means what are the why should you accept, and you have to write why shouldn't you, that you have to write as a pros and cons. And the last activity, it is about reading. Visit a library, read more stories from Japan, China and Korea. Whatever story of Yonamin and Bushi we learn, that is Japanese story. So you have to read some more stories from Japan, China and Korea. So you can simply browse on Google for many such stories. So this is all about all the activities given in the exercise based on the lesson Yonamin and Bushi. I hope explanation given by me be proving helpful to you, and accordingly you can do all these activities simply.